How to make longer reels on Instagram. Let's get started. Firstly, update your Instagram app. For that, launch your App Store or Play Store. Search for the app Instagram. After app appears, if you find the option of update, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. Once completion of its update process, you can launch it. With the new Instagram update, now you are able to upload the reels up to 90 seconds. After you launch it, at the bottom you're gonna find this plus icon. Click on that. Select the option of reel. Once your gallery opens up, you can select the reel up to 90 seconds. Then click on next. At the bottom, you can see that you are able to set it up to 90 seconds. And also you can make other changes and click on next. From here, edit your reel and click on next and upload it. So this way you can easily make longer reels on Instagram. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.